Managed to clear all of this. Got some paving slabs in front of the shed now. Get all of this cleared up and then let the cold weather and the frost kill a lot of the weed that's there, but obviously got to rake it and pick all this weed up, otherwise that'll just grow again. But not a bad start for today. Not many people around. There's somebody over there. Yeah, so I'll continue to do some updates, but I won't obviously film everything because obviously it's a bit boring. Start filming a bit more in the spring when we start planting stuff.